Hey folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's intraday analysis video, brought to you by the creators of proprietary price, pattern, and time methodology. Learn the PPT strategies and profit for life. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. All right, guys, into the analysis portion of this video we go on Monday, May 20th, 2013. Markets are flat to slightly lower. S&P 500 down 1.75 points, Dow down 20, and the NASDAQ down 5. So we're just having a little bit of a minor downtick on the markets today. Not much at all, just minor. And again, the volume is very, very light. Now, you got to wonder, again, are they going to buy program this market up late in the day? That's pretty much what everyone expects. All right, so what we're watching for here with the spiders actually upticking as I speak back to the positive side, we have to wonder again, what will the 3 o'clock time frame bring? In addition, tomorrow is Tuesday. Now, you might say, well, okay, it's Tuesday, big deal. But the key is that you've had 18 consecutive up Tuesdays. So does that mean the markets push up tomorrow? Or does the fact that everyone knows that now and is going to try to buy into that, does that create a reversal and we have a sell-off? Now, again, generally you would probably in this market environment go with the upside for tomorrow, but anytime the media gets a hold of a number like 18 consecutive up days, it always puts me on alert, because when the media pumps it, it usually goes the opposite way. So, again, I mean, that's just one possibility. Looking to tomorrow, it kind of keeps us as traders on our toes. I'm a swing trader. I'm a day trader. As swing trading goes, it's a good start to the week here. One stock, or ETF, I should say, I picked up late last week, was the FXY. I picked it up on Friday, and today already up 95 cents on that FXY. The FXY is the yen ETF. So right away, I had a master level that was tagged on Friday, and today you're getting a beautiful reversal on this. And if you zoom out, I mean, look at this drop this thing is seen really since late last year, 127 all the way down to about a low of 95. And again, you're getting that little bit of a bounce. So I actually am looking for a continued move up on the yen in the short term, although in the longer term, it could easily head back lower. All right, but again, as swing traders, we're in and then we're out. 1 week, 2 weeks, whatever it may be. We get some money out of whatever play we're playing and on to the next one. Now, another swing trade that I held, and I gave this to my members in the weekend video I posted on the Hot Charts and Alerts, and I posted on Traders Life, which is our social network here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. I gave them ASTI as a solar runner off of the solar mania we've been seeing. All right, now, what do I mean by solar mania? This is the ASTI chart. You can see it's had an amazing move today, folks. We'll go over that in a minute. But take a look at First Solar. First Solar up $4.50, was up much, much more, but that's a 10% move right there. Solar City up almost $6 here, and that's off its highs. That's another plus 10%. This stock, if you look at the daily chart, take a look at that. I mean, that is an amazing run. Just look at this low right here at around 24 bucks, 24 to 53 today. All right, this isn't a matter of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days. Less than 2 weeks, folks. Less than 2 weeks up. Solar City has gone from basically 24 to 53. That's an amazing move. And one of the big movers today in the solar sector is JA Solar, which is a Chinese firm, up $3 on the day to $8.65 right now. This is over a 50% move in this solar play. So it made sense, right? And you could go to any solar stock out there. They're pretty much all running. But in my mind, last Friday when we saw these moves happening as well, I said, listen, well, what's a solar stock that hasn't run yet? In other words, what's a sympathy play? And what I came up with was ASTI. All right, ASTI on Friday, I gave my guys a heads up. I picked it up around 58 cents. 58 cents, guys. Today, the high here, 75 cents. So again, think about that gain. All right, it's basically a 17, 18 cent gain on a matter of a 50-cent stock. I mean, you're talking about 30% gain today just on that. And members, again, banked huge money for those of them that followed me on that one. It was a no-brainer, even if you got it at the open. Today, this opened at 60 cents, only up 2 cents on the day. And from that point, it made another 15-cent move, which is like a 25% move from that opening level. So you could have even had it this morning at the open. And again, I just draw simple parallels What we do here is we use a PPT proprietary strategy that is very basic. You just have to learn price pattern and time. When you're dealing with small caps, it's a sympathy play right here. Very simple, and it pays you big. All right, today, again, a great trading day, great swing trading day, just continuing. All right, now a couple other stocks out there. Today I scalped VMware. I did this in the chat room on Intra Day Stock Chat. Let's put on the line. So again, you can see this huge bounce. This is what we bought right down here. How did I know that level was the level? Well, let's just zoom out right here. See this little pivot high right here? Draw a trend line right across. All right, see this gap window right here? Draw a trend line across. What level is this at? It's at the 76 level. So you got an even number pierce, which is key. You got a gap window and a pivot high right there. Enough said. We bought in here. All right. I bought in here beautifully. My entry, $75.76, 1 penny from the low. And look at the size of that bounce. Now, I didn't catch it for the whole bounce, I'll be honest. You know, I caught it for a decent chunk of change. I got it back. Basically, I got 30, 40 cents out of it or whatever. But, you know, just a matter of taking profits like that, finding the exact lows, being able to pinpoint this stuff on charts. I mean, it's literally night and day. People ask me often, you know, what do you say? You know, how do you know these lows? And I mean, what do I say? I mean, it's the PPT methodology. It's this ability to look at factors, just 3 factors: price, pattern, and time. Those 3 factors are all you need. Stochastics, RSI, MACD, it's all BS. It's all bull. Those are lagging indicators that the average investor uses. As soon as the average investor uses something, it's not going to work. That's why I was saying earlier that if the media is pumping the fact that we've had 18 straight up Tuesdays, there's a chance that it might not be an up Tuesday now because every average person knows it. The key is using methodology that most people, even institutions, aren't aware of. By doing that, you can make significant amounts of money. And this was just another good day trade today. So swing trading wise, what are some other swing trades I currently hold? Let's take a look here. I'm holding PG short, all right, down $1.04 today. Markets are basically flat, and this PG is dropping $1.04, so $1.04. Another short I'm holding, Target, down 40 cents today. All right, so some nice action there on some of these plays that I am short on, and I'm actively looking for new shorting opportunities. If I can find a good short, I am taking it. Right, I actually would have shorted a couple of the solar stocks at these highs today as a swing trade even, but unfortunately my clearing firm doesn't have access to short shares, so I'm left kind of not doing it. I thought about puts, but the premium on some of the puts was a little ridiculous, I thought personally, so I stayed away from those. Now, a couple stocks moving aside from this. Apple, up $10.95. Nice move on Apple, but again, where did it go today? Look at this. See this gap fill right here, guys? I gave this to my members earlier today. I said that would be your major resistance area. Sure enough, it's right there. This is a daily chart. This was a beautiful pivot, by the way. I gave this as a long play as well right here at the lows. It's had a great move up. I actually think that Apple is in some trouble here because even though it's having a strong day today, it's a beautiful day today, I do think that the market is getting close to some sort of... you got to figure that at some point, even if it's just a minor pullback, the market probably has to do it. And so my question is, if Apple's been so weak, can it really hold up in a down market? If we go to, let's say we sell for 3 days only. If we just sell minorly for 3 days, can Apple hold up? So that's one of the questions that I would just pose to you in terms of looking at charts. When you're looking at a weak stock and it's been a market that's been going to all-time highs every single day, how long can that hold up? JPM, nice little up move today. Not much, but up a dime on the day. Goldman Sachs is up 54 cents. Chevron's trading up $1.30 on the day. It's a nice little move there. Although, again, hasn't taken out this recent high right here just yet. And Exxon's up 82 cents. Gold had a weird reversal today. Last couple things I'll talk about today. Gold was getting hammered overnight. Silver was really getting hammered overnight. And then all of a sudden we saw a blast up in gold, a major short squeeze here. It's come off those levels right now. But this is actually a significant short-term reversal. Very significant reversal. And the one thing I just draw your attention to is notice this low coincides with right here, which is your double bottom. So it's actually coming off a double bottom, which gives us a chance of a bounce just in the short term. Do I think gold is going to go lower in the next couple months? Yes, I do. But as a short-term bounce, this actually could yield further upside. What I'm going to look for is inside bars over the next couple days, the creation of an in spirit of bullish pattern, and that could be the key right there. Silver, Big move here. Silver was absolutely getting crushed overnight, had a huge gap down, and look at this reversal. Now it's pulled back off of that, but still, very impressive. The metal's very, very impressive today, guys. Absolutely impressive. Molycorp, great move today. This is a rare earth play. Look at this inside bar consolidation after the big pop. That was a no-brainer. REE, which is a sympathy play to that, right down into the 20. Look at that bounce. Again, when you find charts like this, these are just beautiful charts. Beautiful charts. Okay? All right. So that's what we have going on there. Chinese stocks continue to be strong. DANG. Take a look at this one, guys. This is a Chinese e-commerce stock. I sold this last week for 35%. I could have made a little bit more, but I'll take the 35%. And again, that was a Research Center play as well. Remember, Research Center at InTheMoneyStocks.com is for swing traders and investors. If you're a day trader, you more go towards the Intra Day Stock Chat. But Research Center gets swing trade alerts, daily videos, market reports, live broadcasts during the week. I mean, you name it, it's all there. And if you're more of a person that works a daily job, that's where you're going to gravitate to. Or if you want swing trade alerts, like the DANG up 35%, or Rosetta Genomics last week was up 25%, or the FXY that I'm currently in already up $1 on that. I mean, I could just go on and on and on. But bottom line is, the methodology is the key. I'd love to say I have some sort of crystal ball, but it's just following price pattern and time. You learn that, you do it for yourself, even for the rest of your life, and just make millions of dollars like I have. All right, guys, have a great afternoon, great evening. I will talk to you all soon. Take care.